Be ready. Start. The division bench of this court, while considering a group of petitions filed by the petitioner employers relating to the application of the Maharashtra Mathadi Hamal and other manual workers regulation of Employment and Welfare Act 1969, hereinafter referred to as the Mathadi Act 1969, for the sake of brevity and convenience, felt that principally two questions of law arise for the determination of the court in those proceedings treating the writ petition of Messrs. Kai Embroideries Private Limited, writ petition number 7671 of 2005 as a lead petition. The bench was of the view that the interpretation placed in the judgment of this court in Century Textile and Industries Limited versus State of Maharashtra 2000 to CLR 279 relating to section 2 definitions defining the words unprotected workers section 2 in bracket 11 and workers section 2 in bracket 12 of the Mathadi Act 1969 is in conflict with the statutory provisions enacted by the legislature, and that the correctness of the decision would therefore merit examination by the larger bench. The two questions of law for determination of the controversy were formulated after considering the various provisions of the Mathadi Act 1969 and the schemes enacted thereunder, like the clothes markets and shops unprotected workers regulation of Employment and Welfare Scheme 1971 and the grocery markets shop unprotected workers regulation of Employment and Welfare Scheme 1970 and iron and steel scheme, which have been made in exercise of the power conferred by section 3 and 4 of the Mathadi Act 1969 and are operative in their respective fields of employment of manual workers in scheduled employment or group of scheduled employments for the purpose of effective implementation of provisions of the Mathadi Act 1969 and the various schemes formulated under the said act. The bench examined the issue in the backdrop of the previous decision of this court in C. Jairam Private Limited versus the State of Maharashtra, miscellaneous petition number 150 of 1973, dated 19th April 1974, wherein the constitutional validity of the act and the scheme was in question before the court, namely the Cotton Merchant Scheme of 1970 and a subsequent decision rendered in the case of S.B. More versus State of Maharashtra, miscellaneous petition 1414 of 1973, dated 24th April 1974, in the context of the Khoka and Timber Unprotected Workers Scheme 1973, which upheld the validity of the said act and the scheme's expect clauses found to be and held offending Article 19 in bracket 1 G of Constitution of India. It also referred to the decision of the division bench dated 16th January 1980, Lallubhai Kavaldas versus the State of Maharashtra, writ petition number 119 of 1979, in the backdrop of the statement and objects and reasons underlined in the enactment of Mathadi Act of 1969, and after examining the definition of the term unprotected worker defined in section 2 in bracket 11 of the said act and worker as defined in section 2 in bracket 12, the bench found that once the act defines the expression unprotected worker, the definition in the act provides a statutory dictionary. The court is under bounden duty to apply the provisions of the said act to such worker who stands covered by the definition, and therefore it was not open to the court to adopt the meaning of the expression unprotected worker to apply only to the casually engaged workman who would come within the purview of the act which is at variance with what has been laid down by the competent legislation, and in felt that the judgment of the division bench in Century Textile and Industries Limited versus State of Maharashtra does not adhere to the definition of section 2 in bracket 11 in the judgment in its proper perspective. Stop.